Welcome to our guide on how to find friends by Yahoo on X, Twitter on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to begin the process of finding friends through your Yahoo account. Step 2. Look for and click on the Find Friends link located in the top left corner of your X session. Step 3. Click on the Search Contacts button next to your Yahoo provider to connect your Yahoo account with X. Step 4. Enter your email username and password login information when prompted by X to access your Yahoo contacts. Step 5. Click on Allow Access or Agree when X requests permission to access your Yahoo account information for friend suggestions. Step 6. Review the list of recommended friends and click on Follow next to the name of each person you want to add as your friend on X. By following these steps, you can easily expand your social network on X, Twitter, by finding and adding friends through your Yahoo contacts. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to find friends by Yahoo on X, Twitter on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by connecting with friends from your Yahoo account and stay engaged with them through X. Enjoy the convenience of finding and adding friends on X, Twitter, through your Yahoo network to build and maintain relationships within your online community.